Well, hey everybody, this is R 47 coming to you from Dallas, Texas. Today is May 18th and I'm making this video at 1:18 Central Time. Quick look at the induction magnetometer from the HAARP facility in Gacona, Alaska. Kind of shows it's kind of eerily quiet. You look over here and there's just not a lot going on, which again, I've just recently started trying to follow this on a daily basis, and I don't remember so far seeing some of this very quiet time area. Even the normal areas that are usually lit up in the about 1.75 hertz range are is even kind of weak. We did have a little spike here uh, early this morning, and since then we've seen some very low, ultra low disturbance down here. Again, nothing like it was about 36 hours ago. So anyway, HAARP just kind of looking, the induction magnetometer anyway is looking very quiet right now. On, um, this is the solar image taken over the last probably 36 to 48 hours, and we see a very large filament eruption here in the middle. It is not directly Earth directed, but it is in an area that we could see a glancing blow from the coronal mass ejection that would have happened as this filament collapsed back onto the sun. So there would be an aurora alert coming out here in the coming days. So some interesting stuff there. The sun's always interesting. I love watching the sun. So anyway, a nice eruption filament here. So you aurora watchers, be ready for some auroras in the coming days. Here's the 6 to 10 day outlook put out by NOAA, the National Weather Service. Uh, so this would be valid for May 23rd through 27. And I don't like seeing this area right here that says above normal precipitation, because again, that's in the northern Mississippi Valley region, and if we get above normal rainfall in this area, it's only going to add more water into this area. So again, across the entire northern tier of the U.S., looks like we've got a pretty good chance of above normal precipitation. Now, I want to show you something else. This is a current visible satellite loop. In other words, there's no enhancements being done. It's what you would see if you were looking down from the satellite itself and just taking a picture. And what's so very impressive is this huge storm system off the west coast that's moving into the west coast now. This is what we kind of pointed out a few days ago. It was in the Gulf of Alaska. It is now beginning to move down, and what's going to happen is it's going to be part of what helps that what I just showed you, the above normal rainfall in the northern Mississippi Valley. But we may also see a tornadic outbreak this coming week, maybe early next week, starting early in the week next week. Again, some very disturbed weather. Again, anytime you see the little pockets of clouds like this, that means there's very cold air in the upper atmosphere, and that means it's a strong low pressure system. So things to keep eyes on. Again, HAARP's been quiet. The sun did throw a coronal mass ejection, probably our way, at least a glancing blow. We're going to have more rain forecasted starting after the 23rd, above normal rain in the northern Mississippi Valley, and this huge storm now moving in to the west coast is probably going to cause a tornado outbreak here in the southern plains, and then cause a lot of rain here. And just kind of a quick note, a lot of times you see weather like this is another low here, and it's not being able to move out. Again, it's kind of a blocked up pattern. So we don't like to see blocked up patterns when we deal with flood areas. So anyway, that's a quick report for now. Y'all take care.